spring bean will stand a chance worse in a competition with. Because spring bean I go out now. Immediately I go down soon and very soon. I spend money now. Can't them sharings there. Can't share. Especially if it's a good eggplant. Not go share. You have to come good.
You have to come with a packer. But if you know you have a good one, you know you have a nice one, and I'm right, and treat you good, girl, change the position. Yeah, try go up on your eyelash. Scars are from good sex.
Oh, yeah, see.
There's no limit to my love. Any day my man think of left me, you must remember that line. Yeah. Those were the happiest days of my life.
Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. Rain, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. So today's video will be about why do men cheat. So in this video, I will have my sister joining me to talk about what she think about it, to tell her opinion basically. And don't forget to comment down below why do you think men cheat, and if you have anything else to add to it, just let me know and I will be discussing in the comment section. Now I will be calling my sister and we are going to get down to business. I've written down some questions in my book, made up some scenario for you to enjoy on yourself and beer things for sure answer. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna call her right now. Hey sis! So you're now on the camera. Say hi to the camera. Can I tell you? Can I tell you? Hey! Alright, so say hi to the camera.
Hi people, hi camera.
This is my sister Shana-Kay, and we need to know why men cheat and want your fair opinion, because fair opinion is always spicy. So let's get into the video. Why do you think men cheat?
Because they can't satisfy it. Obviously, some of them cannot satisfy it. So, but you know, someone, they always cheat. They always be cheating. It doesn't really matter. They can treat some of them good. They're still gonna cheat. They're still gonna go there and about a woman, a one or two, because someone is so satisfied.
So I have made up some scenarios for you to answer, as well I already tell the people them. Guys, them scenarios are spicy, and if you feel like a comment down below what you would I do, comment down below. So scenario 1, you catch your other half, remember saying your fiancé with another woman in public at all hands, when him tell you say he might go at work, why your next move?
First of all, right there and there, you know, confirm that you're a liar. And you know, once you have a man and they lie at first, it's hard to believe in anything for them to say. And second of all, first they would have explained to me who is she, and if you have a good explanation, there is, but I'm taking things down and go.
When you say that, call up the little, all the same, you know, you can't really even style the girl, you know, because when you look at it, sometimes they lie, until all the girls say them single as hell.
That's right, that's what I'm saying, because you know what? Honestly, some man they lie so they can't lie no more. And you know, especially when you meet a man and them, you know, they want to get to you, they want to get underneath your skirt. Them lie and they tell you anything. It's up to you to believe and you know, because a man don't always say things, you know, that's not right. And when a man meets a woman, they always have something bad to say or negative to say about the previous relationship that they was in. However, sometimes it doesn't always go like that, because you know, man, them whole flush sweets, them whole flush sweets like sugar. And like I say once they want you, once they want to get close to you, they will tell you anything. If you're not wise enough, you will believe them. So I just you want to know what to believe, what not to believe, and don't let them shoot because money and dangerous and lying.
So you and your husband booked a hotel for your anniversary. You get a letter now. The letter did for him side chick, your mistress. You get the letter of him telling her that the hotel around the corner from the one you guys are staying is for her, and then we come visit her soon, right? Remember, so you not forget the letter, but you get it by mistake. What is your next move?
First of all, I have what? 5, 6. I have 6 sisters. So I have more than enough because guess what? Some planning is going to go on right there. So I'll get 2 more sisters them. We going to plan. And the hotel will book for the side check. You understand me? We're going to plan. Yes, we're going to plan. And the sister are going to pay a visit.
Alright, that sounds good. Make sure me one of them now.
Oh, you know that, right? You know that. You are married. Because you're not married about nobody.
Can I tell you?
So make sure I tell you the room number, tell them the hotel, tell them the room number, and make them go. See who's the side chick, see who's the side chick who the hotel booked for. Because, honey, some darling house are going to mash up right then and there. Right then and there.
Wasted the man business spoil.
Yeah, darling house said I'm going to mash up right then and there.
You know when you put too much water in a rice, the man business spoil right there so.
It's spoil right there so. And if you can't come up with some good explanation, guess what? It's finished. It's finished. And who was the song again? I don't remember. I don't remember who sang this song. I don't remember. But yeah, next thing what gonna happen is we're going back home from the hotel because my hotel business now going again because like I said, that was smashed up. So this guy the business not going to be sent to either. That is going much about going back home and I'm gonna pack everything, pack all that. Pack all that.
Yeah, I support you 100%.
And then it will price anyway, you know, if you want to live with her, go on.
Exactly. Because we much cheap in the first place. And then my come to you and baby, you know, say a mistake I make. And
first of all, I don't fall for all that alligator tears and all that lies and all that stories. No. It's either either.
Suppose the man pay you $1 million a year if you have 2 women. How would that go?
Hell no. And let's start things for sharing certain things we're not sharing. We're not telling a lie. I'm not a mean person, but certain things I'm not going to share, honestly. No. So, you may then I go down soon and very soon. I'm going to spend money enough.
So you said the man can't have him cook and eat it too?
No. Did I hear you're $2 million?
Well, not my one who me love son now, so him couldn't do it.
Okay.
Him couldn't do it.
Okay. No, you're talking.
Certain things, my name right pan, my name stamp pan, and when it's stamp on it, it means say I'm my own and nobody enough to cross the line there. That's it there. Exactly.
Okay. That's what I'm talking about. No, but I'm sharing them. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. But I'm sharing them. You see, listen, you see for my rightful man, you know, you see for my rightful man, because guess what? So if I love somebody, I really love them. I do. And no, I'm not going to feel comfortable knowing that, okay, you know, you spend tonight with me and then tomorrow you're with her. No, can't them sharing them. Can't share. Especially if it's a good eggplant, not going to share.
We say if him know if use it, it can't share.
Exactly. No, I want to can't share. Sorry.
But suppose it's a string bean though.
Come on, me easy to look up and feeling. String bean? Well, honestly, the string bean part, but I think what I got this on, we can't do the string bean business. You have to come good. You have to come good.
You have to come with a packer.
Yeah, you have to come good. String bean, I think the string bean would have stand a chance. String bean would stand a chance worse in a competition with string bean I go with them.
So question 3. Your fiance, your soon to be husband in the next 24 hours, right? You and him soon married. You sneak out of the house when your bridesmaid are rent for the wedding to pick up a gift for him. Because I'm a good man, you know, I'm a nice, clean, good man. And you want to surprise him with a gift. So you run out of the house to make sure so the bridesmaid not even see you. To get a gift so you can run, come back quick and do what you have to do to the wedding. When you up on your errand and run now, you see this woman with 2 pitney and one little small belly, a small tiny bump, you know. I said to you, say, yo, you're there with her man and she have one next pitney on the way. I try embarrassing at the place, you know. Why your next move?
Yes, I get the gift them. I said, one of the darling, one on it, because first time I return the gift them, give back my money. That's the first step. Second of all, the wedding I cancel. Because somebody got some explanation to do right then and there. 2 kids plus 1 that kind of way. No, some explanation. Because you know, right as I show you, say, well, you're married to her, you're tidying yourself with a chain. Because if you have 2 kids already and 1 that kind of way, when did you have time to make on 3 kids? And you don't know about it? No, the wedding can't, but the wedding cancel. So, cancel is a big seed. A big seed is a cancel.
Because next thing, you have some woman still, you know. Then we no look on that, you know. And then after when them find out say it's true, them already married to the man, them buckle up them feelings and then after some time, them have some hatred for the man, you know. Not knowing say other feelings that them buckle up from ancient days, you know. It's about them now, you know. Me can't do it.
No, because you see then right there, so that don't make no sense. Because if you're married and then you're up there feelings and you're not here, you're not eat them because no, you understand me. If you already know the situation before you're going to see if you're going to tie yourself into it and go married to it. So that's the reason why I know the wedding cancel. Or go no further with it because you have 2 kids, they have 1 on the way where they might as well go married to her because you're a breeder her up and she has how much kids feel. What about the future with her? That's your wife right there. You know what I would do? I would go ahead and donate the wedding dress, donate the ring, donate everybody. No, them can't fight me, I wouldn't. You understand me? Because, them can't fight me, I wouldn't. I'll come. Because right then and there, when I was turning him over right to her, I'm wife. Because if you have 3 kids with her, I feel it's alright, that's so.
No, sir.
I'm not blind, because they don't like glass to see anything else. I feel it's alright, there's someone come on the way.
The answer is too hard. So what happened to all of the wedding gift them where your family and film family them give you?
Look here, I call up everybody and tell them come back to them. You don't waste no money. Everybody and tell them come back to them kids. Make them go to kids and return it when they want their money. Don't waste their money. Same also engage a brother 3 times and you know if they have a married the same thing I'm go marry to them, I'm still gonna have another side piece so that way. Right?
Exactly. This too hard for me. Alright. So question 4 and the final question. Yeah, your man there at bar, you know the bar table a drink. You went to the bathroom for around 2.5 minutes. So you come out now, right back into the bar from across the room, you see a man itch upside our next girl with the mouth right to her ears. And I whisper and all of them good stuff there. You know, I touch her and I caress her and all of them stuff there. Why your next move?
First of all, I'm gonna go on and say, excuse me. Excuse me. I can't control that. miss? Did I miss something? Did I miss something? Like, you don't know, so sure act like, what is this? What happened? What happened? So right then and there, I'm going to make sure you know, so listen, well, this was my fiance, or my husband, honey, and guess what? You can do me a favor, you can take him, okay? Because right, that's perfect disrespect. Because me and you can go out and then we just step away for 5 seconds or 5 minutes to use the bathroom and come back and see you up in a woman's face like a kiss.
That's true,
No.
that.
That means to say you never value me in the first place. You never want me. So guess what? You can stay with her, but just get my bag or my purse or whatever it is.
Same way, so.
And just leave. Because I can't be used to them, man. So, no, man. Sorry, to them, man. But you're not going to be able to know, man. Because same as though you're not loyal to me. And you can cheat on me just for 5 minutes. If you go find 10 different women or the same thing, and a cheater will forever be a cheater.
Man, me honestly, me really and truly believe some man. Man cheat for little to no reason at all.
Exactly, little to no reason.
And then
Them not see a girl, them not see a big body girl, and say, oh, that girl the body big, that black. That's simple as that, man cheat for.
and if them have a woman, and if them have a woman, them find the simplest thing about the woman will bother them and tell the woman say that's why them cheat. So because them feel guilty, them a turn on the blame now and say to the woman say that's why them cheat. For example, before you and this man there, right? Before you and this cheating liar man there, you used to go out then with your friend them. And while you and him a talk, you know, him a cheat. So because him feel guilty now in himself, him a say, every day you go out with your friend them, even though it's one day of the week, him a say you go out with your friend them, you not make no time for him. Dude, get up. Me say, I wish man can do me that. It must be mad. Me a left that. Yeah, you that? I saw him could have insecure enough for himself. If he got cheat and then blame it on, and not even that too, you know, him just guilty at. And then him start blame it on you.
And they never take the, yeah, that's what I was going to say. They never take responsibility for their own action. Never.
Alright, so I have the one you know, the one you kind of spicy, you know. Alright, so me feel like say, alright, before me even say it, this is not a reason for the men to cheat. This not means so them forgot cheat. Alright, you have some woman, every day them just lay down upon them backs, so I do missionary. Talk it through, God love. Just lay down upon them backs, so I do missionary. Lazier than them not there. This not means that the man them go cheat, you know. But me feel like so sometimes the man them don't want to put a kick to them ego, and them nature dead or them nature start stagger. So them go do what them say them want to do, and the side chick out there, so the bad girl out there, so do them right and do them nice, and you're the wife, you just the home and you're boring. But because you cook for him, you clean for him, or you work more money, him stay with you.
Yeah, because some of them kill it. Some of them man and they kill it bad. You understand me? They kill it bad. So they don't want to build that woman where they will force that woman we can't do things to them, we'll give them things. Yeah, because you know what? The woman in the yard always have the responsibility. The one outside, the one outside the side chick, them have no responsibility. They not for them nothing. But guess what? Them get most of the attention, them get all of the money, and the at the yard get disrespect and not get nothing.
What's
So
any man
sometimes I
feel?
want them. But I woman should do the turn out missionary. I don't blame them. Sometimes I have to play a log too. The log. Missionary plus log. Then surplus I don't go. Yeah.
Yes, I just made a Why? Alright.
No, put joke aside. Some of them deserve it, you know. Some of them do deserve it.
So me not say Me not say you have to go up on your head and try broke your neck. For the liar, lazy, cheating, never will be changing men. But if you know you have a good one, you know you have a nice one, and I'm right, and treat you good, girl, change the position. Yeah, try go up on your eyelash. Yeah. Go up on your eyelash.
I'll end up to spend like gig. No, that's different. When I serious one, you know you have a good girl. If you know you have a good up, and you know, you take care of you and you know, you treat you good. There's no limit to it.
There's no limit to my love.
No. There's no limit to them good man. Because you have some good up, man, and I'm not going to like some good one.
Yeah.
Who do deserve it.
That's the truth.
Like, you know, for them one day, you know, you have to do your best. You have to do your best, and, you know, just to keep them comfortable, just to keep them good. And, you know, sometimes the one that stay like that, you know, them not look out the door.
Exactly. You can't even hear them name or words. Yeah. So if you go out a road one day and you walk and you see one nice branch where you and him can do it pan, you just wait till it's nice and you and him go mash up the branch. You get what me I say?
Next to your branch, you're back.
A good sex.
Next time we got off that branch.
So the scars are good sex. The scars are from good sex.
Oh, yeah, see.
And the day my man think of left in me, you must remember that line. Yeah. Those were the happiest days of my life. You know, I'm pop up the place, you know. Sure. So you have anything else to add?
Anything else now to add?
Yeah, to the cheating man. Them.
I just want to tell them self-care, man. When men, to all of the cheaters, no, it's not all of them, but to the man that know some have good woman, treat them good. You don't take nothing hard for a woman, treat a man good. You wash, you cook, you clean, you do the best, you know, you do. What else can you ask for?
That's what me that like for now. And if you know say you're not gonna treat the woman them good, just leave them. Leave them before you break them heart. Don't damage them for the next good man. You get what I say? When they're on the way, don't damage them for them.
And you know, and don't try to, you know, one thing you get to that man is when them try to, you know, full up the head with fear, like. You know, them give you a lot of promises and make it seem like, yeah, you know, them love you and them want you and them going to do this and them going to do that and make you actually can leave. The 8 man station, I hate them. So when I promise them I'm going to do something to them, I hold them accountable for that.
Alright.
So, if you're a man and you promise me anything out there and you not give it to me and you not do it, try no sin. Make a like you.
No, sir. So, one more time for the good ear before I come off of the camera. This is the last of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And we are out.